what would you do if you woke up one day and your foot looked like this? It's got a nice swimming pool in here. It's not fucking mounted at all, that's why it leaks. The door doesn't close. It did, and it doesn't. As you can see, I can see fucking well. That's fucking disgusting.
What?
Good morning, everyone. You're not gonna guess what we're gonna be doing today. And today, we're going inside there. Somewhere that not many people have been before. And the problem is, you're not gonna guess it. Have a guess. Look at that.
What?
It's got a nice swimming pool in here.
Swimming pool? That's right.
Loads of shit inside. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have to find a way to drain it. Obviously, well, I don't want to drill the hole in the floor. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna grab a cloth, grab some gloves, and we're just gonna go from there. Try to sort of, you know, grab some water, squeeze it out, and that's it. And we see how it goes. And then we're gonna end up throwing our specialist equipment in.
Sounds expensive.
That is the sock. So that's the fun begin. The best thing is I need the tire to hold the door open. So as you can see, I don't really have a lot of space to work with. But you know what they say, it is what it is, you know. At least we've got the gloves. Should be fine. Look at that shit. Looks like it's been bloody flooded. It just didn't have any cover on top. And you're not gonna guess it. The roof is leaking.
Here we go again.
Don't tell me there's more water on the other side.
What?
But that is way better than it was. As you can see,
One eternity later.
still taking a lot of water out. Because obviously it's down the hill that way there. And anything we had in there still sort of going into that corner. But that should be good enough. We've got more water on there, on that little shelf, which yeah, I won't be able to show you when I'm getting that out because I need to squeeze it. And the next part, you probably already know it. You grab an old sock, and here we go again. So you know this part here, you grab one or two of those, you grab one of that cut silicone thingy, whatever brand, that was the cheapest one I found. It's like £3 for all that. And then what you do, let me put my glasses on so I can see better. Yeah. As you can see, I can see fucking well.
What?
I did find the panel because that's what we have, and well, we can obviously take that out. But I think the duct tape is better. We just can get rid of that. We're gonna get the duct tape. That's nearly gone because of our recent hollow sunroof rescue mission. And yeah. I think the blue ones might be for killing bacteria. I have no idea, just guessing. Maybe if I read the instruction. Yeah. But no, not for me. You have to be able to read the instruction, don't you?
That is correct.
Yeah, this one's gonna need a lot of this stuff, you know. You've seen the state of the floor, how much water we had in there. So this stuff, probably gonna pop in tomorrow to see how it did. But the thing is, we want it to have nice and sunny weather, so it's nice and warm. So basically, inside the car it gets nice and warm as well. So all the water starts to evaporate. The thing is, the engine does run, but it runs rough. Been parked up for a few years, I guess. And well, I could try and put the heating on to dry it, that would take ages. So what do you reckon? We're going for more? Of course, we always going for more. Yes, throw it all over the place, man.
What?
Ooh, fucking dust. I don't think it's healthy to breathe that in, so cover your face.
Really?
Really?
You know, guys, let me know in the comment, what would you do if you woke up one day and your foot looked like this?
What?
That wouldn't be fun, would it? That probably could happen if something bit you. A fucking giant spider or something. Which luckily we don't have over here. But I know in Australia everything's trying to kill you guys, so yeah, stay safe over there. Watch out for giant spiders. I meant to do it at the same time when I did it for the polo. But I thought like, nah, fuck it, do it next day. And there we are, a couple of days later. And that's the last bit. That's a bag and a little big gun. Come on, jump. Yeah, that's the problem. If you use that in your car, like your daily driven vehicle, you might want to get that outside and give it a few like shakes and stuff like that, because you see all that white powder. I've done it before. That's gonna end up all over your dashboard. And if you like to keep your car nice and clean, you're not gonna like it. So that's the downside. And the other thing is, I didn't really try to restore it. Like, you know, those little parts that you have, you throw them into the microwave, and then you can reuse them. I never tried to reuse them. I'm guessing you can. Well, not saying no. Well, I never done it. So we've got two of them done. Let's go and throw them inside the car. Also, let me know if any one of you guys can guess what vehicle is it. That's all I can show you. Well, I can show you the interior. Any one of you gonna guess it? Yeah. That's the roof.
What?
It's fucking mounted at all. That's why it leaks. The door doesn't close. It did, and it doesn't. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna grab the bigger one, throw it in there, let it sink, and we're gonna put that up somewhere. And we're gonna grab this one, probably throw it on the seat. Oh, we're gonna throw it on the floor because I'm getting rid of these seats anyway. If I gonna end up keeping this shit, that stuff is falling apart, man. Yeah, that's the thing. That fucking cover is shit. Just keep on lifting up. This one there. We're gonna grab this beautiful tire, throw it on there.
What?
So it sort of keeps the shit together.
One eternity later.
Alright people, another day, another beautiful weather. So let's have a look. How is our professional stuff doing? Open up this bad boy. Why the fuck are you wet over there?
What?
Can you see that? It's all wet. And it did absorb a little bit. The other one not as much. Let's just it's fucking disgusting. Yeah, let's put the other one over there. It's absorbing the water because, as you can see, as I'm pressing on the carpet, it's not showing anymore though. It closes, but then oh, it holds. Fuck it out. That's a good thing because I couldn't close it the other day. What I just realised, there was that, you know, seatbelt buckle in the way. So that could be the reason. This car cover is shit. It's meant to be like universal, but it isn't. I think I'm just gonna grab another tyre and throw it at the back.
What?
Alright guys, so I'm guessing I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
What?